Hey there and welcome to our How to Use General Journals in Financials for Office 365 video. Today, we're going to give you an overview of general journals. General journals are used to post general ledger accounts and other accounts such as bank, customer, vendor, and fixed asset accounts. There are several general journal templates such as the Purchase Journal, Sales Journal, Cash Receipts Journal, Payment Journal, Intercompany Journal, and the Fixed Asset General Ledger Journal. In this video, we will just be covering the use of a general journal. To fill in and post a general journal, simply use the universal search bar, type General Journal, and then choose the related link. Posting with a general journal always creates entries on general ledger accounts. This is true even if, for example, a journal line is posted to a customer account because an entry is posted to a general ledger receivables account through a posting group. For this demonstration, go to the general journal and open up the general journal batch list by clicking on the ellipsis. A number of standard journal templates are set up by default, but you can create new journal templates. If you need multiple journals of a certain type, for example a cash receipt journal for each employee in the accounts receivable department, you can create multiple journal batches for a journal template. You can assign default balancing accounts to batches that usually use the same balancing account. For example, the cash receipt journal might always use the same cash account. You can also assign reason codes to journal batches or templates. For this example, select the default batch. Maximize the screen by collapsing the fact box on the right-hand side of the screen. To add a new entry, fill in the fields on the first line manually. For this video, we will use the example of posting a software expense from a bank account to the general ledger expense account. Enter the date of this entry in the posting date column. In the document type field, click the drop-down menu and select Purchase. In the document number field, leave the default number since this is automatically generated. The account type can be a general ledger account, customer, vendor, bank account, fixed asset, or intercompany partner. You can search for an account number through selecting the ellipsis. In this demonstration, we will use account number 8310, software. The general posting type, general business posting group, and general product posting group fields, as well as the corresponding fields for the balancing account, are automatically filled in, but they can be changed if necessary. The amount purchased will be for $20,000. If you were to post this entry, Financials would not allow you to, since the balance is out by $20,000. To balance the account, we can manually enter a new line or set up a balancing account on the same line. For this example, we will use the cash account, account number 2910. The accounts will now be balanced. Now click Test Report from the ribbon and preview the report. Warnings will appear if there is anything wrong. If you receive any error messages, correct the errors and post the journal again. However, since the accounts are balanced, there are no issues. You can close this page. After filling in the fields and confirming the entries, we can post the journal. Select Post on the Home tab in the Process group on the ribbon. Click Yes when asked if you want to post the journal lines. Select OK. When you post the journal, the lines are processed one by one to verify that the journal balances for each posting date. For each account in the account number and balancing account number fields, a general ledger entry is created, as well as a customer, vendor, or bank account ledger entry for each of these account types. To check the posted result, close the general journal and select Home from the upper ribbon. Click on the chart of accounts from the universal search. Then, select the Ledger Entries function in the ribbon to see which entries have now been posted. Filter the list for account number 8310. All the postings to the general ledger from account 8310 are now clear. Now filter for the posting date. And here is our entry. The GST amounts are allocated to the GST entries. As you can see from the original entry being $20,000, it's been adjusted since it was GST inclusive. Close this page and you're done. If you have any questions while using financials for Office 365, you can click on the question mark for a Windows-specific help page. If you want help with a field, click on the caption, or for a column, click on the heading and select Help like so. And that was how to use general journals within financials for Office 365.